Your profile picture is one of the first things people notice when they visit your YouTube channel. A professional profile picture can make your channel look more trustworthy and memorable. Here's how to change it in just a few simple steps. Your YouTube profile picture represents your channel across YouTube. It appears next to your videos, comments, live chats, and channel page. That's why choosing a clear and professional profile picture is important. Let me show you how to update it. So first open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture. Now tap view your channel. Next, tap the pencil icon or Edit Channel. Tap your current profile picture, then choose Edit or Change. Select a new image from your gallery or take a new photo if you prefer. Adjust the image if needed, then tap Save. That's it. Your new profile picture will be updated across your YouTube channel. Keep in mind that it may take a little time before the new picture appears everywhere on YouTube. A good profile picture helps viewers recognize your channel instantly and makes your brand look more professional. It also creates a consistent identity across your videos, comments, and search results. If you use the same logo on YouTube and your other social media accounts, it becomes much easier for people to remember your channel and recognize your content wherever they see it. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.